Hi guys, it's me again, Goofy Ruby, and today I'm going to show you how our town looks like 5 days after the major snowstorm. Check this out! Look at this one guys, it's not safe. It's already ice and it's very slippery. You gotta be very careful. Okay, let's go this way. Oops, there's traffic. Oh, let's go run! Go, 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 go. We don't have much snow this time left because it's getting warmer. It's getting warmer. This is Santa's house.
I have no idea if Santa's gonna show up, but yeah, this is Santa's house built for our people. No. Here in town, see? So I'm really wondering if Santa will show up. So it's already the 23rd. So tomorrow is the 24th, of course, but I'm not really sure if Santa will show up.
It was totally covered last time, but not anymore. Look at that. No more snow on the trees. It's all gone. One of my favorite spots here in our town. It's so beautiful. North Springfield Dam.
Can you back up here, then take a long run, and then jump down over the...
Okay.
Looks like snow. Remember there's rocks down there.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Sharp rocks.
See? Is this one perfect for making a snowman?
No.
It's not. It's too hard already. Too hard?
Well, it's not melted enough.
I'll go that way.
Careful.
Oh my! It's so deep. It's wet too. Ow! Yeah. Oh. My leg is gonna get wet. Look at this place. I love this place. It's one of my favorite spots. I love this place. So beautiful. It's so nice. Oh yeah. Woo! Pile of snow. Oh, Paw Patrol.
Pop, that's what it's called, yeah.
Much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Merry Christmas.